Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, new share sponsors for Chelsea called Delap. Delap, yes, they are state developers from Dubai, and they are going to sponsor Chelsea or being our share sponsors for the rest of this season. For the rest of this season, the remaining games, they are going to be our share sponsors called Delap. You see that Liverpool game, that Newcastle game, Manchester United game, and Nottingham Forest game. They will be Chelsea front share sponsors. Yes, called Delap. And as I said, they are Dubai-based company and they are state developers. Yes, they are building that long towers. When you go to Dubai, you will see some long buildings. Yes, and information said that they are building one called the New Marina Dubai. The New Marina Dubai. And Chelsea will have a residence in that tower. And that residence name will be called Chelsea. Or they will name that residence as Chelsea. Yes, Delap. They are state developers from Dubai. By the way, they are not a long-term contract, or it is not a long-term contract. They are going to be our share sponsors when this season ends. With these remaining games, I think 4 games in the Premier League, Conference League, 3 games if we reach the final. Yes, so the remaining games. So they are not coming for a long term. They will not continue next season. These remaining games, they will be our share sponsors. So that when the season ends, they will now sit down and deliberate to see if they can continue the share sponsorship deal with Chelsea. That is the contract for now, guys. Delap now being Chelsea shared sponsors till the season end. Yes. And I don't know why they came at this time since the season started up to now. So a few games to go, you are coming. And they didn't even came with a long-term plan. And maybe because they want to sponsor Chelsea, but they want Chelsea to get Champions League. Yes, Chelsea play UEFA Champions League next season. So they want to come early as that. Even if next season Chelsea qualify already, yes, they sponsor Chelsea and the season end. They will be the favorite to be our share sponsors. Because information said that so many companies are waiting for Chelsea to qualify for Champions League so that they come and take over being Chelsea front share sponsor. So for me, I think this is why they came at this time. Yes, or our owners got the deal strike at this time. Because like I can't comprehend this. How on earth season started, 4 games to go in the Premier League, we are not getting a share sponsor. I don't know why. Maybe one will say, okay, even they will wait when the season ends during the summer, they can come and do that negotiation. But at this time, Chelsea getting a share sponsor. And as I said, maybe if we get the Champions League football, so that they will not be the favorite to sponsor Chelsea. Because information said that they did not come as a long-term contract. Only this season, the remaining games, as I explained. Yes, so guys, that is a new share sponsors. So they will be or sponsor Chelsea for our remaining Premier League games. I think 4 Premier League games remaining. They will be our front share sponsors. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about these share sponsors, them coming at this time. What is your opinion about this? Because Charlie, I can't believe this. Getting a share sponsor, 4 games to go. And let's come to the next topic. But before we go there, guys, please just remind you, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. Hit the like button, hit the subscription button. And let's come to the winger Chelsea interested to sign, guys, from Aston Villa. Chelsea interested to sign Aston Villa winger called Morgan Rogers. And this player, he is 22 years of age. This season so far, he scored 8 goals and gave 8 assists. But information said that Chelsea is still interested in Nico Williams also. Yes, so you see Nico Williams, Gittins, and now Rogers. These 3 wingers, Chelsea weighing up. Yes, to see they can bring in the summer or they can sign in the summer. These 3 wingers, Nico Williams, Gittins, and Rogers. Yes, let me read it. Breaking, Chelsea appreciate Morgan Rogers and see him similar to Gittins. Perfect age and skills, but price tag could be an issue. Nico Williams is considered a dream target. We hear, guys, from Fabrizio. Yes. And these 3 wingers, guys, let's see who should Chelsea sign. Nico Williams, Gittins, or Rogers. Guys, in fact, I think this should not be a debate. Nico Williams all day. But I heard something about Nico Williams' wages that he want or his people are asking for £400,000 a week. I heard, I don't know whether it is true or not, that his people, his agent, they are asking for £400,000 a week. I don't think it can happen. Even Real Madrid, no team will pay him that money. I'm not saying he is bad or he doesn't deserve that money, but because of the PSR rule and other financial conditions recently in football, no team. Even when you look at Nico Williams, yes, good player, talented, prospect, but I think maybe in the future he can ask for that. If he can improve, play, give better, maybe give you goals, at least 20 goals in a season or even 15 goals in a season, maybe in the future he can ask for that wages. But for now, I don't think, no, it's too much. £400,000 a week. Who is even collecting that amount in the Premier League? No player. Or Haaland is collecting how much? De Bruyne is collecting how much? No, it can't happen. He is still young to collect that wages, unless this kind of wages is meant for proven players, elite players. So when he come to the Premier League or go to any other league and prove that he can compete for that one, he deserves. But for now, it's too much. He can't collect them and he will not get it. No. By the way, Nico Williams, as I said all the way, the guy is talented, prospect, and Rogers also, he is good. Having the Premier League experience, yes, that guy, I like him also. And Gittins also, I said a lot about this guy, energetic, yes, having the physique, yes. And let's compare them to our current wingers. We have Madueke, we have Neto, we have Sancho, yes, and Track George, yes. So when you look at these signings and our current wingers, almost same players, similar players. Yes, because our current wingers, they are good too, but just that they don't have the finishing. That is their problem. Our current wingers, Neto, Madueke, Sancho and Co, they can do everything that a winger can do. Take on his marker, do the dribbles, but the final ball is not there. That is the issue with our current wingers. Yes. So for me, I think Chelsea bringing more wingers will bring competition to this our current wingers to improve, to give us more goals, to give us more good football, competitive, yes, football like the way we started the season. There were competition, because if you don't perform this game, next match you are not starting. So for me, I think they are similar players, as I said. Yes, they are similar, but just that the finishing. And Nico Williams also, he can create, he can do all the things as a winger, but just that the finishing also. So bringing in more wingers will bring competition. And my fear here is that this our young talented academy guy, George need playing time. These young players, forget they are talented, but if they don't get the playing time, forget, they'll go. George, as we all knew that Chelsea forced him to renew his contract. Yes, Chelsea gave him some conditions before he renewed his contract. So imagine he renew his contract in this way, and the next game, you are not playing him. No. His people, he's still young. He need playing time. His agent, they will find options somewhere and let him go. So my issue or my fear is that Chelsea bringing in more wingers. Will George and Co get the playing time? Will our young players get the playing time? Because all these wingers we are signing, Estavio and Co, they are not coming to sit on the bench. They are similar players. No senior among them. They are almost the same. Yes, age bracket, the same age. Look at Ja Felix. Look at Vega and Co. So them seeing their colleague play and they are not playing, it is a big problem. I'm telling you. So Chelsea should take their time in doing this wing signings. Yes, because of playing time. Imagine we didn't give our young players like Reece James, Mason Mount, Chalobah and Co the playing time. By now, we know their potential and we know their abilities. So playing time is very, very important for our young players. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Chelsea interested to sign Rogers, Gittins and Nico Williams. Who should Chelsea sign among of them? These three wingers. Yes. And let's come to Liam Delap, the striker Chelsea interested to sign. Now Delap release clause has been activated. You dey kicking me, you dey activating me, you dey kicking me. Now guys, Liam Delap release clause has been activated. 30 million for your pocket. If anything will bring the 30 million, you are taking Liam Delap. But I heard something surprise here about Liam Delap, that he is waiting for the season to end so that he can see a team that qualify for Champions League, that he wants Champions League football, that he wants to play Champions League football next season. And I said, what? What am I hearing? Delap, is this from your own mouth? Is this your words? I can't believe this. Relegation team, you could not bring your or maintain your team to stay in the Premier League. While you are coming out with a condition, yes, everybody and his opinion or his decision and choice, I understand. But Charlie, no. You don't have to wait for someone to qualify, for some people to qualify for Champions League. You are not saying that you are waiting for Champions League. No. You also should come and suffer as a young player. Come and play. Come and give your team that Champions League you are asking for. Don't be waiting for a certain team to qualify for Champions League. Look at this, is the way Champions League qualification is difficult. Manchester United, they are struggling. Everyone is struggling. Now this is in Chelsea. Look at us. Now we are even praying to get top 4. You are waiting for Chelsea to get top 4 before you accept. No. I will not accept it. Delap. No. Come. No matter how the situation. If Chelsea is signing you, come. No matter how the situation. Manchester United, is as a player, be ready to compete. Be ready to play. Don't be waiting for some people to do the work for you. No. As Barcelona fans are waiting for Arsenal to beat PSG so that they will meet Arsenal in the final and beat them. Look at mentality. That is losing mentality. That means in case what you are hoping for doesn't happen, you already lose. That means in case they remove Arsenal and you meet PSG final, already you fear them. So that means indirectly you are saying that you can't beat PSG. So no. For that mentality, for Chelsea, we don't have it. You can't be in Chelsea premises and have losing mentality. That is the issue we have with our owners and Enzo Maresca. No. So guys, Liam Delap release clause has been activated. 30 million straightforward. Any team who want to sign him will pay that 30 million. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought. Yes, Liam Delap, should Chelsea go for him? Do you think he can come and be the solution to our striking problems? Yes, guys. And let me hear from you also under the comment section all what we discuss in this video. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. And yes, another video from this channel. Yes, you will like it. Click to enjoy them. Take care. Peace.